Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. We're going to get started with our rules. So rule number 1 is to follow directions quickly. Rules number 2 and 3, we're going to skip over. Rule number 4, make smart choices. Rule number 5 is to no whining. Rule number 6 is to be patient. And rule number 7 is to be kind. All right. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. So let's go ahead and count to 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that is counting by ones, and you want to make sure that you can count by ones all the way up to 100. If you can go even higher, that's awesome. We also want to know how to skip count by tens to 100. So we can do that now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome work. Let's stretch out some words. This is something that we do a lot in our classroom. We stretch out words. And why do we do it? It's called phoneme segmentation, and it's the ability to break down words into individual sounds. And it really helps us with our reading and with our spelling and our writing. So that's a great thing that you can practice. You don't need any materials. You can just have somebody tell you a word and you'll stretch out that word. So let's start with our first word that we are going to stretch out. We're going to say all the sounds that we hear in the word rich. Itch. Itch. There are 3 sounds in the word rich, and you'll notice that there are 4 letters, but we've talked before about how you can have more letters than you do sounds. All right, let's look at another one. And normally when we do this in the classroom, I don't even show you the word. Hawk. Let's stretch out that word hawk. Awk. Let's do it one more time. Awk. There are 3 sounds in that word hawk. All right, we have 3 words left. All right, let's stretch out that word fish. Ish. Ish. 3 sounds in that word fish. All right, here's our next one. This was one of our 5 senses that we worked on and learned earlier in the year. This is taste. Taste. 4 sounds. Taste. Let's do one more. Let's stretch out the word sled. 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 4 sounds in that word sled. So if you have nothing to do today, we've always talked about how when you're being patient, you can still be productive and learning. So maybe you'll look around and maybe you'll decide to stretch out some words. So you can look at your dog and stretch out the word dog. D-og. Or if you see a cup, k-up. Lots of different things that you can do and ways to practice. You can ask your caregivers to say some words for you, or maybe even your siblings. All right, can you help complete this math problem? So if you watched Mr. Fishpaw's math video yesterday, this is very similar. There is a string with 10 beads on it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just real quick drew one on my board. Color 7 beads. Write a number bond to match your picture. So here is my string with 10 beads. I need to color 7 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now I need to figure out how can I make a number bond to match that. So I have my number bond right here. So first, let me think. What is my total? What's my total number of beads? 7 is not my total. 7 is how many I colored. So what is my total? Let's count how many beads all together, the ones we colored and the ones we did not color, because those are actually our 2 parts. So let's count to figure out the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is our total. So we're going to write the number 10 right here in our total. Okay, so what were our two parts? Well, one of our parts was how many it asked us to color, which was how many? 7. So we are going to write 7 in one of our parts. All right, now we need to count how many did we not color. 1, 2, 3. That's going to be our second part. So here is our complete number bond. Our total, or our whole, is 10, and our two parts are 7 and 3. If you want to go above and beyond, you can write a number sentence. So I can write 3 plus 7 equals 10, and there's my number sentence. I can also write 7 plus 3 equals 10 because that's true as well. So you can do either way as long as your total is 10. When you have addition, it does not matter which number is first or which number is second. It does matter in subtraction, but for addition, it does not. Great work, you guys. Okay. Happy learning. Keep working on your Earth Day projects, your Earth Day challenges. I'm working on mine, creating some recycled art. So you can use whatever you have around the house. If you have an empty milk carton, maybe you can rinse that out and make something with it. So many different ideas and things that you can do. Be sure to look at that video, that post from yesterday. If you still have questions, feel free to message, call, whatever you need to do for your project. All right, happy learning, kindergarten. Let's end with our 3 deep breaths and get ready for the day. 1, breathe in and out, that's 2, and breathe in and out, that's 3. All right, kindergarten, have an awesome day. Work hard.